feelings, I got some new feelings that make you uncomfortable. So bring out all the good in me, and I'll say what'll never be. Cause I got me some reason to lock all my keys in the car that we're taking home. So won't you say what you said to me?
Hello my hearties, and welcome back to another hairstyles video. We're going to start off with Kitty's trademark pulled back hair look. To start, you'll need a hair tie. First, section out about 3 finger lengths of hair from the front, and do the same for the other side as well. Once you have them separated, bring them backwards to form a ponytail and tie it with your hair tie. Then take the bottom hair and flip it inside out of the rubber band. Take the side parts of hair and do the same process, tying them into one ponytail. After tightening it, combine it with the first ponytail you made and split it into 3 sections to braid together. After braiding, pull out bits of hair to make the braid seem fuller. Then wrap the braid around to form a bun and pin it into place using bobby pins. And that's it. This look is super simple and perfect for a daily routine. Next, let's do Eunice's side high ponytail. Separate out your bangs and bring the rest of your hair back. Slowly gather it to the side and move it higher. You want it right behind your ear and around your eyebrows height. Secure the ponytail like normal, but take out a top piece of hair and loop it once separately. Finish by tightening the ponytail and/or putting accessories to decorate it. Up next is Yuri's fashionably funky braids. Separate your hair in half and divide the front strands of hair. Take a second strand of hair and braid it together. Finally, secure the braid. Tuck the braid behind your ear and split the remaining bottom hair into 2 to braid together. Finally, bend the braid in half and secure it with a hair tie to create the unique look. Now, let's do the same for the other side. You can also pull out bits of hair to make your braid seem fluffier as you're doing the steps. Now let's do Madison's double space buns. Split the hair in two and tie off the front portion of one half of the hair into a ponytail. Make a hole and flip your ponytail inside out. Then take the bottom hair and combine it with the ponytail you just made to make it into one braid. Secure it with the black rubber band and pull out bits of hair to loosen the braid and make it fluffier. Flip the finished braid into the hole made in the first ponytail. Wrap it around 2 times and make a bun. Lastly, use bobby pins to secure it. Now do the same for the other side. Once you're done rolling your hair 2 times and securing it, you can use accessories to decorate it. Lastly, let's do Kitty's lazy side ponytails. You can also curl your hair if you want these ponytails to have a more wavy look like it does in the show. Take the front section of hair and separate it, and pull out a separate section to make into a ponytail behind. Create a hole in the ponytail you just made and thread the front section of hair into the hole. Finally, tighten it up. Secure the rest of your hair like normal into a side braid right behind your ears. Next, do the same for the other side to complete the look. Separating out your hair first and pulling it behind your ears will ensure that your hair looks fuller and smoother, as well as making sure that there are no loose ends pulling out instead of just randomly putting it into a side braid. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.